You know, I'm always telling you to not obey any of those plant spacing rules on the back of your seed packages. Well, finally, I can tell you that inside this box, there are some seed packages that you can definitely obey, and that's because I made these. I'm so excited to tell you all about Gardenary's new line of Gardenary seeds. These follow along with my 8 steps to learn how to garden yourself. So if you've never gardened before, or you've been gardening for a few seasons, or you're an experienced gardener, you're gonna love my new set of seeds because they go right along with my book, Leaves, Roots, and Fruit. Inside this book, I introduce the 8 steps of learning to garden. I start with the simplest plants and then graduate to plants that are harder, take longer, and need more resources to get to their final product. Well, we created an entire line of seeds to follow along with each and every step of the Leaves, Roots, and Fruit system. And right now we have our first set of seeds ready to ship out and plant inside your garden. So let me show you some of the seeds that are included in this first round. First, we have our herb seeds. We've got calendula, basil, and nasturtium. Each of these have the steps on how to plant these, how to space these, and when to plant these to get the most from your plants in your garden. Next, we have my favorite, the leafy greens. We've got some of the easiest greens to grow in your kitchen garden. On the back, there's instructions so you know how to plant them the Gardenary way. Next up, we have steps 4 and 5, and those are roots. These are my favorite, easiest roots to grow in the kitchen garden. Carrots and beets and radishes and even some bunching onions. These all have my directions on the back of how to space these seeds to get the most out of your kitchen garden space. Next up, we have the small fruit section. First, you'll grow sugar snap peas, my favorite for the cool season. And then you have peppers and beans and cucumbers that you can grow when it warms up and you pass frost. Again, we've got the Gardenary directions on the back so you know how to space them and when to start them too. And finally, we have a couple of seed packages from steps 7 and 8, growing large fruit and growing for seeds. Watermelons and sunflowers are 2 of the easiest things to grow at the higher levels of my step-by-step system, and you'll get the directions to grow them the Gardenary way right on the back of the seed package. This is a project that we've been working on for years, and I'm so thrilled to get to ship all these seeds right to your doorstep. We're offering these at a price you will not believe. You cannot get seeds at this cost anywhere else, and you especially can't get them with the detailed instructions and help that we offer you here at Gardenary anywhere else either. So if you want to be the first to get your hands on the Gardenary seed system, check out the caption right below this video to order yours right away. And if by chance you haven't ordered my great book, Leaves, Roots, and Fruit yet, you'll have a chance to order these together to save both on the seeds and the book when you get it as a package. I'm so excited to tell you can finally start obeying the plant spacing rules, but only the ones that are on the backs of my seed packages. I can't wait to plant and to grow with you all year long the Gardenary way.